Hello everybody, tonight we make scallops. And we make linguine with scallops with the cherry tomato over here. And we need garlic, butter, black pepper, salt, and my parsley for outside. Now this is the scallops. Make sure the scallops, the wash nice. Put a paper towel. A paper towel on the top like this. You gotta dry to make sure gets not really wet. Okay, now first thing we gotta do, we prepare the scallops, and I gotta put salt and black pepper. Now we start with the black pepper. Okay, look good, the black pepper. Now a little salt. I use my finger, the salt. Okay, now this is ready. Now we start with the garlic. And I want to chop this garlic. Okay, now we gotta make it nice, the garlic. Thin. This garlic is so strong. And I eat a lot of garlic. And the vampire, when he passes by in my house, he run away. He said, boy, Chef Pasquale stink garlic. But I don't think I like the garlic. I love garlic. Look how strong. Okay, now I chop the garlic. Now I take it out. I put it nice and a little. You see, when I was in Italy, it's a monkey dish, small dish, monkey dish. Now we got the tomato. Now, the tomato, I take it out of the little piece, gets a little black.
Please subscribe to watch more.
Clean up already. Now, what I do, I cut this in half. Look at the knife, how beautiful this knife, it cut this tomato, go like this. I gotta cut all the same, this tomato, and after I put it back on the same dish. And now, let's start to fry the scallops. We gotta put oil on this spots. Okay. Now everybody know I put a black pepper and salt. If not, we gotta put a salt on the top over here. Black pepper. Okay, now this is gotta stay 3 minutes after we flip on the other side for 3 minutes. Okay, now I got about 2 ounces of butter. Now one time the butter it's melted down, we take the scallops right out. Okay, now it's time we take the scallops out. And this scallops is so beautiful. Look how nice it look. Big size, that's what I like this. Now I put a little more oil, not too much. And now it's the time of the garlic. I'll give a nice color of the garlic, but make sure they're not burned. Okay, the garlic is ready. And now I got my little tomato to saute together. Okay, little white wine.
Please subscribe to watch more.
To give a good taste, and now you gotta cook a little more. The time of the tomato is cook a little bit. It's a time to put the pasta. This, the scallops is already done, the tomato gotta cook a little bit, and the pasta gotta cook about 9 minutes. Okay, the tomato done, but I gotta put the scallops inside, take the taste together. But not too long, and I gotta take out it again. So over here, I got the little tomato, and the butter, everything. Okay. I take out everything, now the scallops. After I got it done, I got to put the pasta inside over here. I want to saute it together. And the scallops, after we use, right on the top. Okay, the pasta is ready. I got my Scoopy Doo over here. I think I got enough for me, 1 pound. It stay a little water, it's okay, it's good. Okay, now we give a nice turn on this. Good. This is done. I can't wait this, the put a nice like this. I want to put it in my dish, no worry. Okay, now it's the time I want to taste my pasta. Oh, beautiful. Now, what I need, tomato over here, right on the top. And my scallops, little parsley. And now, let's taste my pasta. Oh, look at the linguine, how nice it is. Oh. I don't want nobody eat this tonight. It's all mine. The scallops. Nice little tomato over here. And don't forget my oil baby. Oh yeah, that's my oil baby. Yeah, oi. You need wine over here. I want to say thank you very much to everybody. And I want to say salute e cincina to everybody.
Please subscribe to watch
salute.
more.
Make this dish, it's really good. Thank you. A salute. Thank you.